guys! Today I'm making some more Panda themed miniatures for your dollhouse. I tried to incorporate some of your suggestions, such as the TV and cake, so I really appreciate that, and please keep them coming. Also, if you make a craft and would like to show or tell me about it, please do. I love seeing your hard work. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. For the diary, I start by scoring lines on craft foam. Flip over and do the other side so it will fold easily. Next, I bend wire, poke through my diary, then use a multi-hole punch or scissors to cut out a space. Then glue my wire in place, pressing against parchment paper. I fold paper accordion style and glue in place. Then use thin craft foam for detail. And for the lock, I cut a paper clip and glue a craft foam heart. For the Lunchpail, I glue two pieces of craft foam together and glue another strip around my base. And another piece along the top, just gluing the bottom so it will still open. I glue a tab, then glue thin craft foam along the top, adding more craft foam details and a sticker for the bow. I add the handle and food from previous tutorials. Next up is the printable. You can find it on my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com. I add tape to the cell phone and glue to craft foam. I score lines on the coloring book for easy folding. Fold, and just taking my colored pencils from a previous tutorial, made just by gluing a section from a colored mechanical pencil into a bead and then into a Q-tip. Next up is the cake. I use two lids, add craft foam details, then cut off a section from a recycled butter container for the base, then paint and glue garland for detail. The retro TV is made from a floss container. I glue thick craft foam around it. Cut out glitter craft foam to fit, then cut out a square, leaving room for my dials. I glue mirrored paper, my craft foam, a bit of cardstock to cover the seam, and gems for dials. I glue thin craft foam along the back to cover, and add a section from a paper clip for the antenna. The mug is a chapstick lid with a craft foam handle and acrylic paint for detail. I make an easy purse using glitter craft foam, some chain, and a sticker. And finally, the lamp is a painted block with beads, buttons, a chain, and a sticker. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!